This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start inside System Properties so you can stop Windows from fetching drivers automatically. Open Start, type System. CPL and hit Enter. Once the window appears, switch to the Hardware tab and click Device Installation Settings. Choose No because you want Windows to stop replacing drivers without your approval. This prevents sudden driver replacements after plug-and-play changes. Once done, click Save to lock this preference, then move to the next step to enforce the change for Windows Update. Now enforce the behavior system-wide using group policy so Windows Update won't push drivers. Open Start, type gpedit. MSC and run as administrator. Once the editor loads, go to Computer Configuration, Administrative Templates, Windows Components, then Windows Update. Locate Do Not Include Drivers with Windows Updates and enable it. This tells Update to skip driver packages when scanning. Make sure to apply and close the editor. If your PC is joined to a domain, this setting may be overridden. Finish by confirming the change and rebooting so policies take effect. Open Windows Update, go to Advanced Options and verify drivers aren't included. Restart the PC to make sure group policy and device installation settings are applied. If a problematic driver already installed or Windows still updates it, roll back the driver in Device Manager and block it using the Show or Hide Updates troubleshooter. This hides that specific driver update. If problems persist, double-check domain policies or registry overrides, then repeat enforcement steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.